YouTube.
We're in the garage. Shit's fucked up. Cody's clutch is gone. My motor's toast. Welcome back to the Murp Garage, episode 3.
Reporting in live. Today we're here at Spirit Peaks with the teamin squad, and shit is fucking going down, buddy. Oh wait.
Is it going?
This is good. What the fuck?
Reddens car is no good. What's up, guys? Welcome back. Episode 3. We had a good time at Peaks. Well, I had a good time at Peaks. Redden not so much, as you can see here. Redden had a cloud of white smoke come out from under the hood, and we couldn't quite diagnose it at the track, so he sat out most of the day and kicked it. Got some ride-alongs. I got tons of driving in. My clutch exploded. What's new? That's pretty common on my car, so got to tackle that before final bout, do some aero refresh, a little bit of painting, good stuff like that. I'm going to let Redden dive in and kind of let you guys know what's going on with this and what the future plans are for it.
So we got the car home, started taking a peek at it, and from what we can see, it looks like I have a cracked head. We're going to pull the motor out. We're already almost there. We just need to hook it up to the engine hoist and put it on an engine stand. From there, we'll probably tear it down, actually figure out what went wrong exactly. But for the car, I can either get a new head and put this motor back in it, or possibly thinking about putting a B30 in it. Bro, I've driven this thing like 4 times. I've always wanted to put a B30. I always see them going at the track, and they do really well in an E46 chassis. I think they would feel phenomenal in the E36 chassis. So that's always up on the drawing board. We got this motor almost ready to be pulled out, so we'll get the cherry picker hooked up and get this thing out of here.
Andrew here. We got Mike here. They brought us a cherry picker. We are going to get this motor out of here and start plotting with new ideas and get Redden back on track as soon as possible.
We got the motor out of the car, got it over. As you can see, we got the motor out of the car, got it over on the other side of the shop. I know what I was gonna say. Cleaning it out, we were able to see on the back of the head, and I did pop a.
Hi, my name's Mike. I got many names though. Some of these dudes like to call me MIA or Dirty. Most of the time it's because I'm not there. Just like this freeze plug.
Freeze plug. There's a lot of other stuff I want to get done to the motor. Just maintenance stuff, basically. So I am thinking about getting all the maintenance stuff done and putting that motor back in the car. It'll just be the quickest option for me to get back out on the track and driving again. But don't think I don't want to do that B30 swap still.
But yeah, guys, that's going to conclude it. We'll see you on the next one. What do we got going on today, Mike?
Stuff like some drywall stuff inside of that hole. See if it'll hold the coolant in there.
I was thinking cement. It's a little more solid.
Oh yeah, we could do it like a Honda. We could cement the block.
Okay. Or we could just stick the powder in. Red, how are you feeling about these options?
I'm liking my odds, honestly.
It's good for boost.
That shit sounds really good, actually.
I feel awkward in front of a camera.
So put it behind him.
Yeah, there we go.
Where's the lunch money? Where's the lunch money?
He ain't got none. Can't run his pockets. He ain't got no lunch money.
Okay,
He's got lunch money, dude. I Happy July.
Motor out.
Is that a spark plug socket? Spark plug hole? Fucking tube? What is that part of the fucking head